This is my main router. This is an Ethernet cable. And this is the TOTOLINK A302R AC1200 dual-band wireless router, which I will be setting up as an extender using an Ethernet cable. If your router has been used before, reset it first. If the router is brand new, there is no need to reset it. After resetting, connect the Ethernet cable from the main router to the second router. After connecting, go to your phone. My phone is already connected to my main Wi-Fi, so I am disconnecting it. Now connect your TOTOLINK router device. Now the second router is connected to the internet connection and is acting as an extender. Now you can browse the internet. This is how you can set up the TOTOLINK A302R AC1200 router as an extender using an Ethernet cable.